white sheet. Send boy to sleep like swan dance. Say, yo, easy with it. We badness not cheap. Them boy
send boy to sleep like a swan dance. People who name swan dance. Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica. Trinidad. Them from know so Trinidad, but right now I have to ask them called Tep VR. They may say, song call Dead Man Walking People. Want to know about that? Want to know about that, people? Like the video. Comment on this video. Comment on this video. If you want to write us out to see your comment in the next video, me post and I'll post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Right now, hold on. Tep have something I want to say to Uno. Tep have something I want to say to Uno. Tep, what you say to them, Tep?
Yeah, man, you don't know big up Riverside,
Yeah.
Southside, Point, Library.
Yeah.
Lyrical one them. Don't know.
Yeah. Hold on there. What do I say again, Tep?
Yeah, brother, big up Riverside, big up Noble Touch.
Yeah.
Big up Southside.
Yeah.
Big up Library.
Yeah.
Fully.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah. Big up all about Buckbell Tree that me could know right now. You hear me, I say, people? Go follow Tep on Instagram and see me, I say. Link will be down below in the description. Everything you want to find out about Tep, you can find the music, you can find everything for Tep in the description. And then me, I say, I can run tune right now.
yo, Riverside.
Riverside.
You know we not put the badness aside.
No return with the people.
Different kind of settings, eh?
Yeah.
Yo, no ball. Touch. 50 calories fit, eat one press, thumb squeeze. Dead boy, hey, mission complete. Pull up on your block with the stick left to right like a blind man walk across the street.
Go on.
Yo, no ball.
Yeah.
Touch. 50 calories fit, eat one press, thumb squeeze. Dead boy, hey, mission complete.
Yeah.
Pull up on your block with the stick left to right like a blind man walk across the street. Yo, toe top, white sheet. Send boy to sleep. Yo, no ball. Touch. 50 calories fit, eat one press, thumb squeeze. Dead boy, hey, mission complete. Pull up on your block with the stick left to right like a blind man walk across the street. Yo, toe top, white sheet. Send boy to sleep like swan dance. Yo, easy with it. We badness not cheap. One press, thumb squeeze, dead boy, hey, mission complete. Pull up on your block with the stick left to right like a blind man walk across the street. Yo, toe top, white sheet. Send boy to sleep like swan dance. Yo, easy with it. We badness not cheap. Them boy
send boy to sleep like a swan dance. People who name swan dance. Bumbuckler, Tep, hold on, Tep. What them know about that? What them know about the new lighter? What them know about the new run through, Tep?
boy, them not real, them a be a counterfeit. So me pull up in the Lancer with the matic on the sleeve. Clip in me pocket, lock in me briefs. We not take defeat, so if you're feeling froggy then deep. Rasta city, got me ready for the beat. Yo, roll with the lion, so you know me kill sheep. When it come to zessin dog, we not skin deep.
Hold on, pause the bridge, I go fly past me, yes, sir. The dog say roll with the lion, people. Say no, say do in blood sheep. Bumbuckler! Youth! What them know? Tep! How them? Run through!
Locks well lace, pants have on it. Look on me left wrist, Patek Philip, yo. Them a dead man walking. Violate, then the shots start barking. Them a dead man walking. Riverman, them rise up, the tall thing. Them a dead man walking. Violate, and the shots start barking. Them a dead man walking. Riverman, them rise up the tall thing. Jump in the car and a circle and ends. And nothing for me dog, them fi murder your friends. 556, we a boss on them. Told me a killer from way back when. Magnum barrel of his 10 pound. Me a real bad man.
If Tep a go on good right now, dog. If Tep a go on good, check the 5 more them in the comment section, people, right now. I like on the Bumbuckler video. I ready to go on Tep channel. Ready to go on Tep YouTube channel. As I say, get Tep to go subscribe to Tep YouTube channel right now. Right now. Scroll down if you have your phone and go over Tep VR. T-E-P, capital V, capital R, capital T, capital T, E-P, capital V, capital R. Tep VR. Go subscribe. What do you know about that? Red Bomber Clap
Man, me no afraid of no pen. If a boy violate, then I be a pension. Can't bring in your ears and no blood clot belt. So we step, march with the tech. Left override, then me lock off your breath. Now the kill, tech, up in your vest. Send them to L dog, we not take threat. Now the dunks, head in a soft. Bed with a flowers and read, now the dirt, them a spread. River man,
what them know about you? What's a red tune? Red tune? I'm at your fuck. We're at your fuck. We're at your fuck. Like your video. Like your video. If Tep go on good people, trust me. If Tep go on good people, I will say once in the comment section, be a fire emoji. Run go over Tep channel, click the link and go watch a full video for the original video. Make him know I'm selling it over there. So drop some fire emoji in the Tep comment section over there so on him channel on YouTube. Run go over there. Don't hesitate if you like him. Don't hesitate if you go over there. Make him know the reaction boss is selling it over there. So right now. Run tune.
Stop it. Them a dead man walking. Violate, then the shots start barking. Them a dead man walking. River man, them rise up the talking. Them a dead man walking. Violate, and the shots start barking. Them a dead man walking. River man, them rise up the talking. Them a dead man. Them a dead man. Them a dead man. Them a dead man walking. Yo.
John know Tep.
River tell them, Sayo tell them, Nichem tell them, Zia tell them,
Yeah.
PP tell them,
Yeah.
Labre tell them,
Yeah.
we not take no
Yeah.
bumbo glad friend.
Well,
Yo.
man, them tell
Them
them
a
the
dead
place.
man walking. Violate, then the shots start barking. Them a dead man walking.
I guess I'll go
River man, them rise up.
Bow. Make a left on the right. Right, you know why I want to do this now? I want to go watch a video for myself. I want to go support Tep. So I'm not going to give you the word of the song right there. So no. Forget the rest of the bang list and I kick out people's teeth and kick out face and I crowd people in face and I go like a bad man over there. So Tep over the riverside. So the whole man them. You see me I say? Go over there. So click the link down below in the description. Go on him Instagram, go on him YouTube. Follow him. Subscribe to him. Try to make you know so the reaction boss sending over there. So go support the artist. Trinidad. Them for know so we Trinidad Bumbuckle belt bad. I'm out.